guys, today we are going to be reviewing Shankar IAS Academy, which is located in Bangalore. And to review this academy, we are going to be visiting a website called blog.education. That is because blog.education is a very trusted website. They give consolidated reviews from Facebook, Google, Justile and Sulekha. They give honest and unbiased reviews about any IAS coaching center in India. And also on this page you can find reviews about the academy that are given by students. So this page is very trustworthy. It has been around for 11 years, you guys. As you can see here, blog.education has given this academy an overall rating of 6.3 out of 10. That is a very average rating. They have also rated this academy on different parameters like their past year results, which are not impressive. They are very average. Their infrastructure, however, is excellent. Their batch size is not good. Their batch size is too high. Their faculty quality also is not up to the mark. But their fees is very affordable. Some of their pros are that they have good infrastructure, an affordable fee, effective coverage of the whole syllabus, offline and online test series. Cons are that they have a higher batch size and they don't provide easy tricks and techniques. These are the details, the contact details of Shankar IAS Academy. This is their address. They are located in Bangalore, Karnataka. This is one of their branches. They are located in many states across India. They are located in Delhi, in Chennai, in Bombay. So this is just one of the branches in Bangalore. Then this is their contact number. Their fees for 1 year is around 88,000, which is very affordable compared to the other institutes we have seen. Their batch size is very high. Ideally for IAS coaching, the batch size should be between 100 and 150, but anything above that makes the classroom very crowded, and it's very difficult to get personalized attention when you have so many students in one class. So this is also, if one of your criteria when you want to join an institute is that you want personalized attention from the teachers, then this institute is not right for you. Another thing, their past year results, 74 students were selected this year and 78 ranks were from this institute. They have amazing Google rating and reviews. They have 23 Google reviews and their rating on Google is 4.7 out of 5 stars. That is actually very impressive. Individual student reviews about Shankar IAS Academy. So one student is saying that the sir was really helpful and his classes were just phenomenal, and the teachers are very humble and they'll answer your doubts whenever you ask them for a doubt. So this review is really good. Another person is saying that the faculty, you will have access to faculties directly from Chennai. The same faculties take IAS classes at Bangalore as well, and they relocate the faculties. The management at this academy is very good. The counselors, they also have counselors which help you overcome depression which might happen during your preparation, and also the faculties will communicate with you in Kannada, English, Tamil or Hindi, and even their counselors are very fluent in all of these languages, so they can really help you communicate. If you don't know, if you're not that proficient in the English language, you can communicate in all of these languages. They also have a good doubt clearing facility, and then their study material is also quite popular among students. So even this review is really good. And this academy is located in Vijayanagar in Bangalore, so the location also is quite good. It is not difficult to commute to this place because it is very near. It's quite nearby to a metro station. They also have online classes, so if you can't attend the offline coaching because it's not near your house, or maybe you don't live in any of these cities where Shankar IAS Academy is located, but you want these first class facilities, you can opt for online classes. They are full-fledged and you'll get the same kind of experience even online. They have really good facilities. Their infrastructure, so the student is saying that the bathrooms and the classrooms, everything is very clean. The classroom is air conditioned. The entire institute is air conditioned. So the facilities are quite good. So overall, the reviews that are and the feedback that students give is quite good. I hope this review was helpful to you all, and if it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with all of your friends who are IAS aspirants. Thank you so much for watching.